I'm just sitting in there. Like, hang on. What is it?
What is this one?
What is it?
Keep opening it. Not what you were expecting. Keep going.
Keep going, open it up. What is it?
It's going to be fun, I think.
This is Stubby's son. What else got?
She got a book. What's this?
Do you think she's comfortable?
I think the queen is
Yeah.
in her throne. Keep going, Thomas. Let's see what that is. What's the picture on the top?
It says kitchen.
Kitchen? Okay.
The
Let's keep...
wedding has a kitchen downstairs.
Or maybe it goes in the kitchen.
Yeah,
Huh?